Every great community begins with a vision. Before a single brick is laid, artificial intelligence sweeps across empty land, mapping the blueprint of tomorrow's neighborhood. In design studios, AI generates dozens of architectural layouts in moments, while simulations study sunlight and wind to orient each home for natural comfort and efficiency. On the construction site, this vision becomes reality. Robotic excavators and survey drones prepare the earth with precision, while massive 3D printing arms build walls layer by layer, faster than traditional methods ever allowed. Behind the scenes, intelligent supply chains track every material, ensuring nothing is wasted and nothing is delayed. Above it all, urban planners study a living digital map of the entire society. AI recommends where roads should curve, where parks should breathe, and where schools and clinics should stand, so every family lives within reach of what they need. Safety drones patrol the site, spotting hazards instantly and protecting every worker. Solar panels rise across rooftops, feeding a smart energy grid, while underground systems manage water with quiet precision. Inside each home, technology settles in before the family does. Smart systems link lighting, security, and climate control into one network. When a family walks through their front door for the first time, the house already knows how to welcome them, adjusting the temperature, dimming the lights, settling into rhythm with their lives. Beyond individual homes, the entire society hums with intelligence. Security systems watch over quiet streets. Autonomous shuttles carry residents between home and market. Waste is sorted and managed efficiently, and maintenance issues are caught before they become problems. In the housing office, paperwork that once took weeks is now processed in seconds, freeing people to focus on their neighbors. When a resident reports an issue, help arrives almost instantly. When a new homeowner receives their keys, an AI assistant has already confirmed every connection and every detail. So all that's left is to walk in and begin. Across the world, this same quiet intelligence is reshaping how humanity builds and lives together, connecting societies, conserving resources, and creating homes that truly understand the people inside them. And as one more family stands together at golden sunset, keys in hand, the message is clear. This isn't just about smarter construction. It's about building a future where technology and humanity grow a home together.